Hi, my name is David Robinson. I'm the Managing Director of Ibsecad. We are a BIM consultancy to the construction industry. BIM stands for Building Information Modelling. What we do is we create a building in a virtual world before it goes to site. We're working with design teams, architects, structural engineers, ME services engineers, the builders and the trades to create a building in a virtual world before it gets to site. We're then there to work with the client to keep it for its full life cycle. Now, traditionally, the construction industry works through the communication medium of drawings. So cumbersome, large bits of paper everywhere. Now, because of the number of people involved and the different people working on different elements, architects doing his bit, the M&E services guy doing his bit, the builder doing his bit, and they're working in their different places. They need to get together to have workshops in a collaborative approach. That was done traditionally by getting around a table and poring over drawings all day long, spilling coffee on them, making markups, big red line drawings, and this became a contractual document. This was a very laborious, time-consuming, and difficult to get all the right people around the table at the right time as well. So it was an inefficient process. Ibsecad is a forward-thinking company, and we're always looking for ways and the latest innovation ideas to improve our service to our clients. We're always looking for ways to save our clients time and money and make the projects run more smoothly and efficiently. We found using Smartboard interactive whiteboard was a perfect means of doing that, in terms of we could allow anybody that needed to be at the workshops remote access from their desktops, from their iPads or from their iPhones on site. They could dial into the meeting for the bits that they were required to, so they didn't need to lose a whole day in travel to get there, just for their half an hour slot. They could dial in when needed, but they can also input to it. Through our Smartboard, they can actually interact, put their comments on, and it's saved and emailed in an instant. An example of a specific project where this was absolutely paramount to our delivery of this project was the University Medical Center in New Orleans. This is a $700 million project, so you can imagine the number of people involved with this and the number of meetings, the number of input that needs to go into this information before it actually goes to site. So there was a number of meetings happening on a daily basis. Now we needed to be part of most of those. And in order to do that remotely from overseas, the only way for us to deliver it was the Smartboard solution. Without it, we would not have been able to service this project remotely or from overseas. We just simply wouldn't have been able to attend all those meetings. It would have been cost prohibitive with the amount of flights, let alone the carbon footprint. Smartboard interactive whiteboards have made Ibsecad a much more efficient, streamlined business. It's allowed us to work in marketplaces we might not have been able to do quite so quickly. It has given our clients a level of service that surpasses our rivals.